In this video, I'll be creating a Chocolatey package to deploy Microsoft Edge settings. I'm starting this video from my GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video. And I will leave the URL in the description down below. And here you can see all the settings that I will be packaging in my Chocolatey package. Mainly it's to disable all the unnecessary features, set the default search engines, and also install the uBlock origin extension. Also, in the bottom of the page, you can find more of my videos that are related to this topic. For example, here you can find more videos about the settings that you can include in this package. Also a few videos about Chocolatey and also a video about installing NuGet Package Explorer. Anyways, now I'll start creating my package, and for that I will scroll up, and here I have a template that I will be using to create my Chocolatey package. I will click on it, then I will click on the button right here to download the package. And then I will go to my downloads folder. I will double click on the template package and it opens up with the NuGet Package Explorer. And here I will expand tools, then I will select the Chocolatey install script and I will click on this edit button. And here we need to provide the script that will deploy the settings, and for that I will go back to my GitHub page, because here, as you can see, I have this PowerShell snippet that will deploy the Microsoft Edge settings. And it works by creating registry entries in Windows Registry. Basically, all the registry entries that you see here is for configuring Microsoft Edge features. Anyways, now I'll scroll up a bit, then I will click on the button right here, and then I will go back to my package. I will insert the snippet here. Then after inserting it, we need to save it, and let's go back to the package. And now that we have the script for deploying the settings, we can add another script to remove the settings that this package is deploying. Basically, this will allow us to remove the package, and also by removing the package, we'll remove all the settings that this package was modifying for Microsoft Edge. And to add another script, I will right click on Tools, then I will select Add New File, and I will name the file Chocolatey uninstall, and the naming is important. So I'll name it Chocolatey uninstall.ps1, and then I will click OK. And here we need to add a script that will be responsible for removing all the settings. And for that, once again, I will go back to my GitHub page, and here I have another PowerShell snippet. And as you can see, this one is removing the registry entries. So I'll click on the button right here to copy the snippet, go back to my package and insert the snippet here. Then I will save it and go back. And now that I have all the necessary scripts for my package, I need to modify the information about the package here. So I'll click on this edit button. For the package ID, I will enter Edge settings. Then package version is fine. Authors, you can enter whatever you want. And for description, I will enter Microsoft Edge settings package. And that's it. Now we can save the information by clicking on the button right here. And now we can save the package itself. And for that, I will go to File, Save As, and I will save it in my Downloads folder. Then I will go to my Downloads folder. And now here we have the package for deploying Microsoft Edge settings. And now to deploy this package, I will right click on it, select copy, and then I will go to my VMware workstation where I have few Windows virtual machines. And here you can see the first one and also the second one is here. And both of them never executed Microsoft Edge, so I will have the first run experience on both of them, without and with the package. I will be deploying the package on this machine, so I will go to my File Explorer. Then I will go to my C drive, and here I will create another folder. I will name the folder Choco. I will go inside of it and I will place the package here. And I will be using this folder as my Chocolatey repository when I will be installing this package. And now to install this package, I will go to my start menu. I will search for terminal. I will run it as administrator. Then we need to enter the install command, so it's choco install. Then we need to provide the Chocolatey package ID. You can see it in the package name right here. So it's Edge settings. And because I'm using my local folder as my Chocolatey repository, I need to provide my Chocolatey repository location. And for that, I will enter -s. And then we need to provide the location. So it's my C drive and then Choco folder. I will also add -y and let's press enter. And as you can see, the package was installed successfully. And before running Microsoft Edge in this virtual machine, I want to show you how Microsoft Edge behaves on the first run experience without the package. And for that, I will go to my other virtual machine. I will open Microsoft Edge. And as you can see, we get this welcome screen that is unnecessary. We can click on Start Without Data, confirm and continue, continue without data, and confirm and start browsing. So we get unnecessary menus and settings that we need to configure before we can start browsing. Also, you can see that we have a lot of buttons here. We also have the sidebar. If I open a new tab, we get this Microsoft Start page that has Microsoft News in it. And this is how Microsoft Edge looks by default. Now let's go back to the virtual machine that has the package installed, and let's run Microsoft Edge here. I will double click on it. And as you can see, we don't get the first run experience. We get this page, but we don't have all the buttons here. We also don't have the sidebar. If I open a new tab page, you can see that we don't have Microsoft News in it. And it looks a lot more clean, at least in my opinion. And that's basically it for installing the settings with Chocolatey package. Now if you want to remove all the settings, we can go back to the command line. Here we can type choco uninstall. Then we need to provide the package ID. And let's wait a bit. I forgot dash Y, that's why it's asking questions. I will add yes here. And the Chocolatey package was successfully uninstalled. Now for the settings to apply, I need to close Edge, and then I need to reopen it. I will double click on it. And as you can see, now we have the first run experience with all the unnecessary questions. So I will go through all of this. We have the welcome screen, we have whatever this is. Also, the Microsoft page has news in it. We have the buttons here and the sidebar. And that's basically it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.